The sound of spring.
Hi guys, it's Auntie Anne. Today we're going to read a troll story, and it's called The Sound of Spring by David Lewman, illustrated by Fabio Laguna. It is a warm spring night in Troll Village. All the trolls are sleeping except one. Branch is wide awake. He hears something. What's that sound? It sounds like chirping. Is there a bird in the house? Branch looks around. No bird! In the morning, Branch still hears chirping. He checks the village. He cannot find what is making the sound. The chirping is driving him crazy. Branch asks Cloud Guy if he hears the sound. Cloud Guy listens. He hears the chirping too. He asks Branch if he is making the sound. Branch says no. Cloud Guy says Branch must be chirping. Branch says, I am not chirping. Branch thinks Cloud Guy is playing a trick on him. He's angry. He chases Cloud Guy through the woods. Poppy sees her friends. She asks them what's wrong. Branch tells Poppy about their chirping. Poppy listens closely. She knows where the sound is coming from. Poppy reaches into Branch's hair and pulls out an egg. That is where the chirping is coming from. A bird must have laid an egg in Branch's hair. Poppy says the egg is about to hatch. A bird comes out of the egg. It sings a song. Poppy and Branch sing too. The little bird's mother hears her baby singing. She comes right away. They fly off together. Everyone waves goodbye. Branch misses the birds chirping a little, but not too much. The end. If you like today's story, please click like and subscribe.